Hello friends, guess where am I? At Lulu Mall at Mr. DIY shop. Come, let's explore it. Wow, there's so many things over here. Oh wow, look at these candles. I'm enjoying in here. Oh wow, look at these clips. These are aprons. Oh, these are the cups. Oh wow, cute. These are some more cups. Guys, you have to come here. There's so many nice things. You can buy it for your birthday parties and any other. Oh, look at that comb. It is so nice. Oh, look at these sponges. See what I found? Wow. I like these utensils. Now let's go that way. Oh, wow. It's so nice. Oh, look at this. I like them. It's of 154 rupees. I found a mirror. Oh, look at this clock. This is so cute. Oh wow, this is also cute. Look at these. Oh, this is such a cute pencil pouch. So good. Ooh, they're so nice. Look at this puppet one. These are some socks from women's. Ooh, what are these? These are some little bags. Wow, I love them. They're so nice. These are some clocks. Wow, look at that one. Oh, look at those small clocks. Wow, I love it. Look at these. They're so nice. Wow. It's amazing. Oh, look at these soft toys. I really love them. Ooh, this one more elephant. So cute. Wow, look at all those toys. A panda. Those are sticky notes. These are some pencil pouches. Wow, that hat which I wore was so cute. Ooh, look at this flower. Ooh, I like the orange color. There's so many varieties of them. And back to the toy section. Oh, I really like that one. Look at this hat. I hope you enjoyed. I enjoyed over here. Thanks for watching. Bye bye friends.